What happened to you? Why you have to go under the trolley?
Daddy took all the space and moved it.
What? Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Danube. Daddy, do you have this one? This is the one I ordered online before.
Oh, wow, nice and door.
No, I still have lots in Dubai coming.
Come this side, please, so we can stop down here.
Okay, okay. Yeah. I need a hair coloring, Daddy. Wait. Which one? Which color is that? Mahal, oh. My God, mahal din eh. Tignan nyo, guys. Kailangan ko ng chestnut daw na kulay. Ang galing dito, guys. Ang dami ditong mamipilian. Ang daming variety ng mga sauces. Yan, oh. Ang ganda mamili rito. Ayan. Naghahanap ako ng chicken nugget ni Alipa. Ewan ko ano yung brand ni Daddy. Nasaan na ba yun si Daddy? Eh. Tingnan mo, bro. Oh. What happened to you? Why you have to go under the trolley?
Daddy took all the space and moved it.
What?
You didn't put all the space, so I only have to hear it down.
Stand up.
I made it only sit.
I will call the guard now. Sige.
Matt, try to sit somewhere.
Tingnan mo siya. Oh, nabuang na. Uy!
I'm not allowed to stand.
Uh-oh. Stand up. Okay. Then I will push this one now. You look for Daddy. Daddy, look at your daughter, Daddy. She wants to insert her body under the trolley. Going home, going home, going home. It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. Alip, don't remove your seat belt.
It's not really working.
Why are you always biting that one?
So I could not get it. I said, come on.
I said, come on. I fixed before. Why you remove it
Look at
again?
It's twisted.
What?
It's twisted.
Twisted. Alip, pull that one. It's not locking. It's not clicking.
Come on. And now I can have my little moment. Hey, can you please lower the volume? Please.
Ollie, stop asking things. We're almost home.
I'm gonna sleep.
No. Even you're demanding when you're sleeping.
I can't sleep when you're making noise.
Then don't sleep then. We're gonna be home real soon.
Oh, unwrap, huh? But why that one you remove it? The small piece there. Huh?
Yeah. No, I didn't remove it. It was just not attached.
Ah, okay. So ask Daddy to help you to
Wait, Mommy, I think
attach it.
Wait, Mommy, I think this comes with two. I think they these are two pairs.
No, that one should be attached in the down. See? This one here.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Turn it off. And we just buy this actually. Right?
Learn that when you press that button, the elevator doors stay open for 2 minutes.
Wow, that's very nice.
Doing that by hitting that bottom button,
How come?
choose
Look at that daddy.
Daddy, go!
Ready yet, mommy?
You guys just
the
don't.
mystery of the
Okay, fine.
elevator not working properly.
Wow, look at that color.
Yeah, but I'm not
Seems like
finished.
she's engaged with someone else.
Can you explain to me who is these
Which
people?
once again calls to the fact that
They're
there's probably
us.
someone
Huh?
else involved.
They're us.
They're us.
Yeah.
Where's mommy there?
And that's Daddy, and that's me. With the
We
crazy
also
hair.
wanted to know which
Where's
floor of
Daddy?
the hotel the elevator video.
Ano is this one?
We know that Elisa was
That's a flower,
Oh
and
my god. I took...
and mommy, this one is me, and this one is you. Love how hot to
Wow, so nice. I love it.
Hi guys, so I'm eating my favorite nuggets. Oh yeah, it's my tissue.
What's happening?
Tissue sticking on my hand.
Let's have our dinner, guys.
Yeah.
Meron
And I
kaming,
don't even have a chance for the
ready to cook na chicken skewer from the supermarket. Meron akong crabs, salad.
Did you
Yan lang ang aming dinner. Do you want to have some rice, Ali?
I want you to try this, okay?
one only?
There you go.
So sour.
Sour. Face.